Hello guys, today I am going to explain how I develop my forgot password add-on for sign-in process. Hi guys, this is my e-commerce web application. Now in my previous video, I explained how I create my sign up part and sign in part. Also my rename me option. In this video I will explain how I create my forgot password. Now I click my sign in button and I go to my sign in page. Here is my sign in page. Now I try don't give any information and I try to sign in. Then my web application says please enter your email. So I give my email. When we talk about forgot password, forgot password is most important thing to client because sometimes client didn't know their password, so then client want to reset their password, so this option is so important to client. Also in yes, now I click my forgot password. After that my web application give me alert. My web application says verification code has sent your email, please check your inbox. Okay, I will show my inbox now. After that my web application give me reset password field. Here is my reset password field. There is new password label and retype password label and verification code. Client can give their new password in here, and client have to fill this again, and then he can give their verification code here. Now I will show my my inbox. You can see in here. You can see in here my web application give me a verification code. So I copy that. And I paste it here. Now I give a new password for my account. In here you can hide your password and you can show your password like this. You can click your eye image and you can hide it like that, and you can show like that. Now I click my reset password button. Okay, now my web application says password reset success. Now my forgot password is almost done. It's working now. Now I will show how my database working. Okay, here is my database. This is my account. You can see when I refresh my database, this password and my verification code is changing. Okay, now I refresh my database. Okay, now you can see my password changed to 123 ABC, and my verification code also changed to new one. This is how my database work. Okay, now my forgot password is working. Now I will show how I create my forgot password in my backend part. Right guys, this is my backend part. In here I added some few files. I added forgot password process.php and reset password.php, and I added few files. Those are extraction.php, auth.php, phpmailer.php, pop3.php, smtp.php. Those files are helpful to create my email. I will show link that files. Okay, firstly, I will show how I create my readme option. I guess in here I create readme option, and I gave name for that, and I give ID for my readme option. Then I can assign to my script.js. After that I added some models. I use Bootstrap to get this code because there is so many fields are there, because and so it's really helpful to me create my reset password field. I would suggest that because there is so many field are there. So in here I gave ID for my reset password field, and I assigned to my script.js, and I gave name for my reset password field. Also I create label. I gave name for new pass. I gave name for it like new password, and I gave on click and I assigned to my on click. I gave on click option, and I assigned to my script.js. After that again I give label, and I give name for it like retype password. So there are also I give click and assign to my script.js. After that I create my verification code here. You can see it. Lastly, I create two buttons. One is close button and one is reset password button. I gave one click for my reset password button, and I assigned to my script.js. Now I'm going to my script.js. In here I you can see my global variable is in here. Also there is my password function, and my email, and I assign my email to variable, and I put alert for that when we give my information correct, when we give my email correctly, my web application says verification code has sent your email, please check your inbox. You see that previously. I will show that again. Here is that alert. Also, I use Ajax in here and assign to my forgot password process.php using get method. Now I am going to my show password one function, and I give and you can see there's two variables in here, and I give type for that and type for that. Here is that I button. I create that I button and I create that I button in here. This is my show password to function. There also I added two variables in here. Also I added I button and also I added my I button. Now you can see my reset password function. There also I added four variables in here, and I use form data and I give append for that. And here you give your verification code and you fill new password and you have to retype that. You did that correctly. You can receive this. You can receive this alert. This is password reset success. You can you see that. I will show this again. Copy this. Password. You can see that I button here. Now I click my reset button. Now you can see that alert password reset success. Okay. Also in here I use Ajax method and I assign to my reset password.php using post method. Now I am going to explain my forgot password process.php. Here's my forgot password.php. I connect my connection.php because I need my database in here. Also I connect my smtp.php and phpmirror.php and extraction.php. In here I use get method for this file, and I assign to my get method, and I connect my database and I give query for that. In this numbers they check my database and they check they have that email. Then when they have email, they check my e-commerce application check. They have that information. They check. They have that email. So after that, I link my database again and I give query for that. And those are my email informations. In here, I gave subject each of forward password verification code like that. In here, I gave color for my verification code. You can see my verification code. It came like green, and I added that in my backend part. Backend part. You can see I gave style and I gave color for that. That's how I give color for my verification code. When you give wrong email, you receive this echo. My web application says verification code sending failed. When you give wrong verification code, my verification code, when you give all correctly, my web application says success. When you didn't when previously you don't sign in your when database didn't have your email, my web application says invalid email address. Okay, this is my forward password process to PHP. Now I'm going to my I'm going to my reset password.php. Okay, this is my reset password.php. I connect my connection.php and I use post method for sign my email, verification code, new password, retype new password. So there is small validation part, you can see it, and I connect my database and I give query for that. In these numbers, they check their database, and when you have that account, my application is success. When they didn't have that account, they give echo for client invalid email or verification code. Okay guys, this is how I create my how I develop my forward password add-on for sign-in process. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.